Hello everyone, my name is Mitchell. I'm Discover Tree. Today I'm going to tell you about how to save the rainforest. How can we save the rainforest, the tropical rainforest? You can buy some coffee, sugar, and bananas from the farmer who did who did who don't cut down trees, who don't cut down